Picture this. If you were in an overnight camp for 27 days, what would you do? What did I do? Well, look at this. Making this for sneak peeks. This is Camp Ice Women Diary Life. Welcome. And it seems normal. Yippee! And I call this Camp Catastrophe at this point. Nathan is just a 9-year-old boy that somehow killed his teacher by sending her a thank you note. Now he is stuck in the middle of nowhere camp in the Appalachian Mountains during the summer. What friends or foes will he make? And is there a sense of lore, secrets, and monsters in the camp's lagoon? Are you ready for action, suspense, laughs, drama? Then read this book or don't. And if you want more, then check out my channel and subscribe. ORDONT ... Just do it.